everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. As much as I love Christmas, and I really love Christmas, and I decorate early, like the tree's up, like early November, like I'm ready. But then after Christmas is over, I am ready for the tree to come down and a really deep refresh of my home, because you know the tree's been up for a while, the furniture's been kind of moved around in weird ways for a couple months, and everything's just kind of been out of place. So I really like taking the tree down and getting everything nice and clean, and I love starting the new year out with new cleaning products. I don't know why, and maybe this makes me a nerd, and I'll tell you a little secret. I even asked for toilet cleaner for Christmas last year. Not because I couldn't just go out and buy my own toilet cleaner, but I wanted this certain kind, and it was kind of expensive for toilet cleaner, and so I asked for it for Christmas. Nobody got it for me, go figure. But I have asked for cleaning products for Christmas before, special cleaning rags or something like that. So I'm definitely not above asking for cleaning products for Christmas. But regardless, I love starting out a new year with some new cleaning products and some old favorite cleaning products to make sure that I have everything I need to get my house in order for the new year. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my most recent Grove Collaborative haul. You guys know that I love Grove Collaborative. I've been using them for a few months now. I love, first of all, their customer service. I could probably go out and get a lot of these things at Target or somewhere else like that. For me, I have a hard time actually finding some of the limited edition Mrs. Meyers scents at my Target. But anyway, a lot of people can go out and get the Mrs. Meyers multi-surface spray at Target, or you can go and get the Method shower cleaner at maybe somewhere else. I don't know. But I just love how convenient it is to get it from Grove, and their customer service is amazing. And they're always giving free gifts, and it's just a really easy way to shop online for cleaning products that are more healthy for you, that are better for your home, that are still effective, but you still get that great service. You get that amazing convenience of me not having to run around in Target looking for this cleaner and that cleaner and having them be sold out, when I can go to Grove Collaborative and get everything for my home and be done. So I really love shopping there, and I got a huge haul of things to show you some favorite cleaning products and a couple new things that I picked up. So if you want to see the cleaning products that I got, then stay tuned. So this is my entire Grove Collaborative haul. The only thing that I got that did not come from Grove Collaborative are these Clorox wand toilet cleaner refills. It was a 20 pack, and so I left 10 for downstairs. I took the other 10 upstairs, but basically, we have the Clorox toilet wand system in every bathroom because these are the best way that I like to clean the toilet. It's less messy, and it's just really convenient. So I did pick up a pack of those. Those did not come from Grove. Everything else, though, did come from Grove, and I'm super excited about everything, especially the new customer offer for January. So new customers of Grove get the new matte cleaning caddy, which is super pretty. And then you also get your choice of the various Mrs. Meyers classic scents. You're going to get the multi-purpose spray, the dish soap, and the hand soap, which is perfect because I just ran out of my peppermint hand soap from the holiday collection. So you get 3 Mrs. Meyers products in your new customer free gift. You also get the 2-pack of the walnut scrubber sponges. So you've got a walnut kind of abrasive side on this side, and then just a regular sponge on that side. And of course, your cleaning caddy. So I just love how generous Grove is with their new customer offers. And if you are already a customer of Grove, like I said, and you place your order, you'll still get your 2-pack of the scrubber sponges. But if you're a new customer and you spend $20, you're going to get all of this stuff with your choice of scents just for signing up and spending $20 with Grove. I also wanted to stock up on my favorite dishwashing cleanser. I use the 7th generation 0% dishwashing liquid. I love this stuff, and I got 5 bottles of them. I actually got 4 individual bottles, and then they had a set, which was really neat, that came with the dishwashing liquid and the 7th generation rinse aid for the dishwasher. I've never used a rinse aid in years, and I've never used this one from 7th generation. So it was actually less expensive to get the cleanser and the rinse aid in the little set that they were offering versus just getting this on its own and this on its own. So altogether, I have 5 of the dishwashing gel and then the rinse aid, which I wanted to try. So I was excited about that, and I won't have to get dishwashing liquid for quite a while. Another thing that came as a set, and it was cheaper to get the set, I was going to get my favorite glass cleaner and my favorite wood cleaner separately from Method, but they actually had these two together in like a set that were cheaper to get the two of them together than it was to get one of this individually and one of this. So just restocking on my favorite glass cleaner. I love that it smells like mint and it works really good on glass and pretty much any surface. So I got that. And then also, again, it smells amazing like almonds. I got the Method Wood for Good Daily Clean. I love this stuff. So I got that in a set. Something new I'm going to try is the Method Anti-Bac Bathroom Cleanser. And this is the spearmint scent. It smells really good and fresh. And I just thought it'd be nice to have something to replace Lysol disinfectant, because I do try to clean as naturally as possible, but in the bathroom I feel like I want to use some type of disinfectant spray on the toilet, but I don't like spraying Lysol or anything like that. I just feel like it's way too toxic. So this seemed like a healthier alternative, and it's still supposed to kill 99.9% of germs. So I picked this up. It's a new product for me. Repurchase is my Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Baking Soda Cream Cleanser. I use this to clean out my sink. I can also use it in the bathtub if I need to, since I have textured tubs. Sometimes they're a little hard to get clean. So this also works really well for that. So I picked up another one to have on hand. These two things are not cleaning products, but I love them, and this is the only place that I can find, Grove is the only place that I can find my new favorite face oil. It is the Acure Brilliantly Brightening Citrus Argan Oil. They have tons of different oils, and they have other ones that say brightening, but this is the citrus argan oil, and it's the only place, Grove is the only place I've been able to find it. And last time I talked to you guys about it, and then it went, like, it sold out. So they have it back at the website, at least they did when I bought this, obviously. It's only $8. It is organic. It smells like a giant juicy orange, and it makes your skin feel so soft. So I love this stuff. So I picked up another one of those. Also, one of my girls, I just got them an extra tube of toothpaste, and I can get some more next time if we need it. Yeah, I'm not worried so much about the fluoride, even though I do know that some people don't enjoy using fluoride, but I really mainly got this because of the no parabens, no sulfates, no triclosan. I just feel like that is really what I was interested in. It just happens to also be no fluoride, but they really like it, and so we're using that. And then this I'm super excited about. I love having a diffuser. Mine broke. My oldest daughter still has one in her room. I need to get another one for the kitchen. But Grove has an amazing selection of essential oils, and these are organic essential oils. You do have to be really careful with where you get your essential oils from, but I feel like with it being organic, I don't have to worry about where, you know, this is not like Young Living or anything like that, but it's organic and it smells so good. I love the smell of orange. It's so energizing and so fresh, and I thought for wintertime it's going to be a really nice one to diffuse in the house when it's cold and gloomy outside. I thought this would help to kind of energize everybody. It smells super good, and it's a whole ounce jar for a very decent price. So I got the orange. I also got a peppermint, which I already have some peppermint, but I love using peppermint. Again, kind of the same thing. It's really refreshing and uplifting. I like mixing both of these actually with cleaning products that I make so that they smell good. And also I have learned recently that ants do not like peppermint. So I've been using peppermint to kind of keep the ants out in the wintertime. So I did pick up 2 oils. I do plan to get more in the future, but I was just really excited to find these at Grove because they were really affordable, and these are organic, so that was really exciting. So that is everything that I got from Grove with my most recent order. If you're interested in getting the new customer gift, when you spend $20, you get all of this stuff. That is a huge value because I think one of these alone is like around $5 at Target. So you're getting all of this stuff for free just for signing up with Grove for the first time and spending $20. So definitely make sure, if you've never tried Grove and you want to get the free gift, that you sign up with my link in the description box. That way you'll be sure to get your free gift. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my New Year new cleaning products haul. I love getting new cleaning products and stuff, especially at the beginning of a year, to kind of get all of my cleaning products restocked and ready for a new year. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure if you did, you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and hit that little notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.